Earn $5,000 with copy and pasting. Crazy, but 100% legit and true. Now you have a golden opportunity to earn $5,000 just with copy and pasting. You don't have to do any hard work or prior investments of neither your money nor time. Too good to be true? Sounds like magic, right? And today I'll teach you how to build up a passive income stream by earning $5,000 with copy and pasting, which will eventually allow you to earn thousands of dollars without having to commit hours of your valuable time or do any hard work at home. I have a surprise extra for you towards the conclusion of this video, so make sure to stay around and watch to the end. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. Hit the like and subscribe button with the cash bundle that you're going to earn after watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to press that bell icon because money never rings the bell, but we do. With that being said, let's get into it. We will discuss how to make $5,000 today. Copying and pasting are one of the simplest methods to earn money online. How do you go about doing it? We'll find out soon enough. By copying and pasting, you make a lump sum amount of easy money. Thousands of dollars in entirely passive income are already being earned by several people, and today I'm here to tell you how to do the same without investing hours of your valuable time. The major platform that we will be using to generate money online today is going to be Amazon.com, which is a highly prominent website that almost everyone has heard of. For your information, Amazon is a global commercial website that specializes in e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It has been called one of the world's most important economic and cultural forces, and is one of the most valuable brands in the world. Along with Alphabet, Apple, Meta, and Microsoft, it is one of the big 5 American information technology corporations. So, on a different note, the majority of you will most likely assume that this includes selling anything. But let me state unequivocally that this is not the case at all. You will not be selling anything or engaging in any sort of dropshipping or similar activities. Because I'll explain everything to you in the following few minutes, you'll see how we'll use Amazon to be paid. But first and foremost, you must visit Amazon's official website and register for a free account. To do that, simply hover your cursor over Hello, Sign In the top right corner of the Amazon site, where it reads New Customer. Then click the Start Here button directly next to it. This will lead you to a screen where you must enter your name and email address, establish a password, retype your password, then click on Create Your Amazon Account. Let me explain how and why you will be using Amazon to generate money now that you have your Amazon account. Amazon Kindle will be our primary source of revenue. For those of you who are unaware of what Kindles are, people are selling various ebooks on Amazon Kindle and making mind-boggling sums of money in the process. Let's say an ebook of Stephen King costs $15 and have received over 6,000 reviews. This indicates that at least 6,000 purchases have been made. So if you do the arithmetic, that's around $90,000 in profit, which is insane. Also keep in mind that this is far not the only ebook to achieve such success. Many more ebooks with similar numbers exist. Another ebook titled The Last Thing He Told Me, a novel, costs $12 and has over 31,000 ratings. In other words, we're talking about a minimum of $372,000, which is more than the prior case. I could give you a slew of instances, but I believe you get the idea. You can make insane sums of money on Amazon by selling ebooks. Furthermore, because of Amazon's immense popularity, you'll be able to make a lot of money selling those ebooks. Amazon is frequented by literally billions of individuals, not just hundreds of thousands or millions. In the previous month, almost 2.7 billion people visited Amazon. It's by far one of the most popular platforms today, with just a few websites receiving greater traffic. The idea is that there is a lot of promise here. Simply because Amazon is so popular, there's a lot of money to be made by selling those ebooks. Another excellent feature is that once you upload an ebook to Amazon, it remains there indefinitely, and Amazon will publicize it for you and encourage buyers to buy it. You won't need to market yourself anyplace, and you won't need to be on social media. Your job is essentially done after you've uploaded the ebook. However, if you wanted to sell ebooks, you'd have to be a writer, which takes a specific set of talents, right? You, on the other hand, don't. This is because in this video I'll show you a place where you can get finished ebooks that you can sell on Amazon, Kindle, and make a ton of money without lifting a finger. I recommend going to kdp.amazon.com and clicking the sign in option to start publishing your ebooks. By the way, there are several additional advantages to selling ebooks on Amazon. For starters, publishing an ebook on Amazon takes only 5 minutes. As a result, it will be published almost immediately. As you can see, if the individual who purchased the book is from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, Brazil, Mexico, Australia, and many more countries not listed, you will keep 70% of the profit. And in case you're wondering, yes, this is accessible worldwide, and there isn't a single spot on the planet where Amazon isn't available. Now that you've seen how lucrative this can be and how much money regular people can make selling ebooks, it's time to put your money where your mouth is. It's now time for me to show you the platform that I mentioned at the start of this video. That site is plrebookclub.com, and it's a place where you can locate over 21,000 digital items, but more crucially for us, with private label rights, ebooks or PLR ebooks, you can add yourself as the author and sell them. So as you just learned on this platform, you can do pretty much everything you want with the ebooks. You can claim authorship and sell them on Amazon for hundreds of dollars even if you didn't write them yourself. Furthermore, as you can see below, there are over 400 themes, which means you can locate an ebook linked to just about anything you believe will sell well, whether it's weight loss and fitness, gaming, or whatever else you can think of. To download an ebook from this site, go to the top right corner of the page and click Get Started Today. This will take you to a page where you can see that you must pay $15 each month to get 20 ebooks every month. I'm highly concerned that this point could be a major turnoff for you. Now, before you stop this video, I'd want you to consider an important fact for a moment. You've already seen how a single ebook can earn you far over $50,000. So now that you think about it, selling 20 books every month doesn't seem so horrible, does it? Furthermore, even though it is not free, there is a compelling purpose for displaying this website. The reason for this is that this platform includes exclusive ebooks that you won't discover anywhere else on the internet. If you utilize other PLR services that provide free ebooks, you'll discover that you cannot sell them on Amazon since they have already been used so many times. As a result, you'll be unable to make a profit from selling. However, by using ebooks from this site, you may make a lot of money, since, as I previously stated, they are unique and you don't have to do anything after downloading and uploading them to Amazon. Finally, you'll see that they have a 60-day money-back guarantee. As a result, you are effectively free of any hazards. If you don't like the site or anything else, you may simply request a refund. That's all there is to it. In the end, you have nothing to lose. If any of you still want a free website, I propose doing a Google search for PLR ebooks, and then using any of the ones you discover, even though they are overused as I previously stated. However, you can occasionally discover newer ones for free that you can sell on Amazon to make some substantial money quietly. So guys, that's it for the day. If you haven't already, like the video and turn on notifications to be notified as soon as we post. It would be greatly appreciated if you share this video as much as possible and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video from us. If you have any thoughts or suggestions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.